Hey, it's Mark with the Safe House. I'm here with Drew, and we're going to show you how to change the combo on a mechanical lock, so stick around. Hey, so we're back. So we're going to change the combo on this mechanical lock, and I'm going to show you the difference. We're going to change the combo on an electronic lock too, and show you how much easier it is to change an electronic code on a safe lock. So on this, you're going to have to dial the combo, which I have right here, on that little tick mark. That's called the change index. So you got to dial it over on the change index, just like you would the normal combo. And let's see if I can hit it on the first time. 36. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here on the back side of the lock. Right here. That's the change key hole right there. And if I got it right, let's see here. I should, oh, there it goes. Now we turn that. So now we come over here and we're going to spin our new combination in here, which I'm not going to show you. So we're going to spin it again on our change index. How many times that's Drew? Was that 4? 4. Was that 4? Mm-hmm. So we did that, and then we go back over here. 1, 2, 3, and we go back over. 1. Is that 8? Right there. Look at that. Whoop. So we got that, and then we come back over here, turn the change key, put this up here. So I'm gonna have Drew put the new combination in this. We're gonna see if what I did worked. So have at it, Drew. Oh, the tension is building. Did we get this done correctly? Oh, there it is. Look at that. So now, if you want to show over here how that bolt retracts, and we can retract the bolts. So that's how you change a mechanical lock. So you see how long that took, and we're, of course, we're supposed to be safe professionals. So see, if you don't get this exactly right, you got to go through and do it again. So let's walk over here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the combination on an electronic lock, which I've done some videos on that before, but we wanted to compare the two. So walk over here and we'll do an electronic lock. So this is a typical electronic, a Sergeant Greenleaf electronic lock, which that's a Sergeant Greenleaf mechanical lock. But there's other electronic locks that are also easy to change. But on this lock, you always change the combination. Let me say that again. Always change the combination with the door open. So we're going to extend the bolts out. Just don't bang up your paint there. So when we change the combination on an electronic, on this one, the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you put the change code in, do your new code, hit pound, new code, hit pound, boom, now you're changed. So what was that? I don't know, less than a minute versus having to change the mechanical lock, which also I forgot to mention, you got to have that special key and take the back of the door off of it. So much more convenient, ease of use day to day. If you ever need to change the code, boom, you change it, minute or two. Where the mechanical lock, you generally have to get someone like us to come out or have that change key and know the sequence to go through. So if you have any questions about changing the combo on the lock, just give us a call here at one of our 3 locations or go to thesafehouse.com.